In this video, we will learn how to set default shapes in Excel sheet. So let's start how it's done. This is my Excel sheet. Just click on the insert tab. Here you can see the shapes. So you can click on the any shape and just drag it. Here you can see the blue color. Again select the any shapes. I just select this one. Have a blue color. If you want to change this color, you click here the shape format tab is automatically added when you add here the shape in Excel. So just select the shape, change your color, your shape, change your outline of your shape, and you can change here effects also. Okay, so when you're doing the any dashboard and you want the different style shapes, so you want to set the default shape in Excel sheet, you can do it. So if I suppose I just delete it, remove this, again I go to the insert, click on the shapes, click on the one shape and just draw it. Now and set the one shape. Okay, then I use here the line. Okay, use here the some different style. Okay, okay, this one. Okay, this is the default shape I want. Okay, now just right click of the shape. Here you can see the set as a default shape. Just click on it. Now delete this. Now again click on the insert tab, click on the shape. Now click on the any shape. Just click on the basic shape. Just see same shape you get here, same style. Those are those are I set as a default. Okay. If I get this shape, this one. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.